Tired of spending countless hours managing the cleaning and maintenance of your properties? Tidy automates your cleaning and maintenance operations. We combine advanced software, AI, and a dedicated human concierge service to streamline your operations and save up to 90% of the time spent on crucial tasks. Tidy automates your turnovers. We integrate with almost any software tool to pull in guest check-ins and outs or tenant move-in and move-outs. Then you can set up rules to automatically schedule cleanings, inspections, or maintenance tasks following your workflow. You can define workflows any way you want, and we can make it happen. Tidy also automates emergency maintenance support for you. Our Smart Numbers feature allows guests or tenants to report issues via text message. When their messages come in, our AI-powered concierge service can do tasks, solve problems, or schedule jobs based on your custom criteria. You can see everything as it is happening in our software for full visibility. Tidy also automates regular or preventative maintenance tasks, such as filter replacements or water heater descaling. Our system can automatically create due dates, assign tasks to your team, or our concierge service. We can suggest recurring tasks for you, or you can customize your own. Anytime you need a job done, Tidy makes it easy. Add and organize your preferred vendors across all categories, set custom job rates, contracts, and auto-pay limits. Create and share detailed digital checklists with them, even allowing them to view them without a login. With Tidy, invoicing and payments with your pros are a breeze. Review detailed bills, complete with photos and notes, and process payments securely using our integrated credit card and ACH payment options, or use your own payment methods. Tidy is more than just a software tool. We are your partner in property operations. Our goal is to save you 90% of the time you currently spend managing cleaning and maintenance tasks. Book a demo today.